orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Skipping rope. It was games period, and all the children of Gattu Chinky's class were playing in the school ground.
Come on friends, let's play Pakadam Pakadai. No. Hey friends, why don't we bring badminton from the games room? We haven't played badminton for a long time. Oh goody. Then we can also bring bat ball to play cricket. Right, Chinky?
But Chinky was lost in her own thoughts. Her attention was on some senior girls who were also on the ground. One of the girls was skipping very well with the skipping rope, and Chinky was watching it very attentively.
Chinky, tell me Chinky, badminton or cricket? Oh, Gattu, I don't know. You all stay here, I will just come.
Chinky runs to the senior girls and says to them,
Hello Didi. You all are in 12th class, right? Can I also try this skipping rope? I liked it a lot.
Hearing Chinky's words, the girl who was skipping starts laughing and says,
Yes, but you're still small. You cannot do skipping. If you fall and start crying, then PT sir will scold me.
Hearing this, all the senior girls start laughing. But Chinky gets angry.
No, I will not fall. Neither will I cry. I just want to try the skipping rope once. Please? And it looks very easy anyways. Okay. Is that so? Then try it yourself.
The girl hands over the skipping rope to Chinky. But the skipping rope was too big for Chinky. She says to herself,
Come on, Chinky. Good luck. I will start after counting 3. 1, 2, 3.
Chinky holds the handles of the skipping rope tightly and tries to skip. Seeing this, all the girls start laughing. Seeing Chinky falling, Gattu and other friends also come there.
I had already told you, you will not be able to do it. Now you know yourself.
All the senior girls were laughing at Chinky, except one Didi. She comes near Chinky and lifts her. She even touches Chinky's dress.
You are very small right now, but if you practice, you will learn to skip very well. That too, best skipping of all. What? Really? Yes, really. By the way, what is your name? My name is Chinky. And yours? My name is Kirti. Now you go and play with your friends. Okay? Okay.
After this, Chinky goes back to her friends. But she decides that now she is definitely learning skipping. She promises herself.
Now I will learn skipping as soon as possible and will show all those senior girls that I can skip better than them. And Kirti Didi also said that if I practice, then it is possible.
Then what? As soon as school gets over, Chinky reaches home quickly with Gattu. And first of all, she goes to Mummy and tells her.
Mummy, listen. Yes, Tinky. Tell me what happened. Did Gattu tease you again? No, Mummy. This time I did not do anything. Why are you saying this to me? Yes, Mummy. Gattu did not do anything. I am saying that I need a skipping rope. What? Skipping rope? Oh, Chinky. Again about the skipping rope thing. Actually, Mummy, today Chinky saw some senior Didis skipping during the games period. Since then, she has become obsessed with the skipping. Oh, Gattu, let me tell. Don't talk about me. Mummy, all the Didis said that I am short so I can't skip. But Kirti Didi said if I practice, I can do better than them. So I have decided that I will practice a lot and show all the other Didis that I skip better than everyone. Okay, so that's the thing. That is fine, Chinky. I will call Papa and tell him that he brings a skipping rope in the evening. Okay? Yay! Okay, Mommy. Thank you. You are the best. That I am, Chinky.
After this, Chinky starts waiting impatiently for Papa to come. At night, when Papa comes, he brings a new pink-colored skipping rope for Chinky. Seeing the skipping rope, she gets very happy and she thanks Papa.
Now from tomorrow, I will practice a lot and will become the best skipping champion.
Good luck, Chinky beta. The next day was Sunday and Chinky gets up early in the morning. She gets up early and says to Mummy,
Mummy, please give me breakfast, then I will practice skipping. Hey Chinky dear, it is only 6 o'clock right now and today is Sunday. You sleep for a little while. It will take time for me to prepare breakfast. What? Oh no, Mummy, I am not able to sleep.
Then Papa comes to the kitchen with a newspaper and after making her sit on the dining table, he says to Chinky, Hey Chinky, you got up early? Well, it's a good thing. We should get up early every morning.
Yes. Then why don't you take Chinky with you for a morning walk? Chinky will also practice a skipping rope in the society park. And by the time you all return, I will prepare the breakfast. Wow, Mummy, it is an amazing idea.
It's good then. Let's go, Chinky. We'll come back after walking. Papa takes Chinky to the society garden and Chinky starts skipping over there. Then Papa starts walking in the garden. In the beginning, Chinky's foot stumbles several times, but after falling, she tries again.
1, 2, 3. Let me try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
After some time, Papa comes near Chinky and says to her, Come on, Chinky dear. It's been too late. Now you can practice skipping later.
What? So early, Papa? But we had just arrived.
No, beta. It's been 1 hour since we arrived here.
What? 1 hour? 1 hour passed so quickly. Oh, it's okay, Papa. Let's go home.
Papa and Chinky reach home. By now, Gattu had also woken up from sleep and Mummy had prepared a tasty breakfast. Everyone has breakfast together. And then Chinky starts practicing skipping at home again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gattu, did you see? This time I skipped 5 times and that too without falling. Yes, Chinky. I have been seeing this since morning. Slowly I will learn skipping well like this.
This is how 1 week passes. And as soon as Chinky gets time, she starts skipping. This is how she starts skipping well with practice. Now again Saturday had come and games period was on Saturday. All the children reach the school ground and start playing games. But Chinky saw that those senior girls were still on the ground and were skipping.
Oh wow! Now the time has come to show them all that I am not less than anyone.
After saying this, Chinky goes straight to those girls.
Oh, you came again? Just last week we had told you that this is not a children's game. Yeah. Yes, Chinky, what happened? Why did you come here again? Kirti Didi, now I have learned skipping. Please give me one more chance. Then I will show them that I can do anything. What? Okay, Chinky, but be careful.
Those girls give Chinky a skipping rope. And this time, Chinky starts skipping without stopping.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And just like that, Chinky skips 20 times without stopping. And everyone keeps watching her. And everyone starts clapping for Chinky. Not only this, PT sir also comes there and says to Chinky, Oh wow, Chinky dear, you have done a great job. You have broken the record of senior kids in skipping.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. And that too in just 1 week.
What? What do you mean?
Till the last week, Chinky did not know how to do skipping. And she learned such good skipping in just 1 week.
Oh wow, Chinky. Then you have done a great job. Very good. Chinky feels very good on hearing her praise. PT sir tells her that from now on she can practice skipping in every games period, and sir will get a small rope for her. Chinky and other children also become very happy with this.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.